Let's talk about garden cress seeds, a superfood which is great for all diseases. This is super important. Hi, Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist and Health and Wellness Instructor, going on 36 years now, 1,300 videos here for you to get healthy with. Let's get the world healthy. Please subscribe and click on that little button that tells you when you're going to get my next video. We can heal the world, and we need to. Well, garden cress, which grows around the world, again, grows in the United States, grows in South America, it grows everywhere, Africa and Europe, really is a superfood which can help with every disease processes that, or any disease process that you have going on. If you're not taking it, you're doing yourself a disservice. Also called Halim, and also Ali, and many other names around the world. And it has so many health benefits. Contains proteins, a lot of protein, vitamins, omega-3s, minerals, calcium, iron, magnesium, zinc, lots of different things. And new studies show it can help with cancer. And it actually, when it was in the mixture of the seed, gelatinous material was injected into breast cancer cells, they actually die. And so more studies are being talked about this. And this is another alternative to what we have going on with regular breast cancer treatment now. Also, it's great for lowering blood pressure, helps with constipation, helps with preventing diabetes, full of antioxidants. I'll get into that more. Lots of anti-inflammatory qualities, and inflammation is the first step towards disease. Lowers trigs and cholesterol. Great for asthma, so you can breathe easy, antifungal, antibacterial, and so much more. So it's mostly grown for salads. It has kind of a, peppery, mustardy kind of taste, and really great in a sandwich. Fantastic. And also soup, stews, also desserts, all kinds of different things. If you could think of it, you can add garden cress to it, and I love watercress also, but garden cress to it, and it's really good. It has a huge list of powerful antioxidants like camphorol and turmeric acid, caffeic acid, and on and on and on. And those are the things that really help us to heal the body. It's really high in iron and really absorbs easily into our body. And if you have an iron problem or a hemoglobin problem, you need to take some of this. And a moderate portion will actually give you almost half of your daily needs of iron every day. And really good for women who, are menstruating, and has lots of vitamins also. Vitamin K for clotting and strong bones. Also vitamin C, which is super vitamin. There's no doubt about that. Vitamin A, and lots of healthy fats like omega-3s. Lots and lots of protein. It's up to 21 to 25% protein content. Amazing. And you guys are always looking for protein, so this is important. Because it helps with hemoglobin and iron, it helps with fatigue also. Great for aid for digestion, also helps as a slight laxative because it helps to have mucilaginous type material to help things move along. It helps with your monthly cycles and stimulates milk production, and immune booster, and really great for the respiratory tract because it's anti-inflammatory and helps with asthma and all kinds of respiratory problem. And because it's mucilaginous, they're even thinking about making it into some kind of clothes detergent because mucilaginous types of materials help to loosen the dirt from your clothes. Very interesting. It works just like chia seeds or flax seeds and becomes, you put it in water, it gets mucilaginous and thick, and you can make puddings out of it and smoothies and yogurts and all kinds of different things. It really is great, and I think it has a great taste in general. Garden cress is super fast growing. Within 4 or 5 days, you got garden cress coming up, It likes to be activated by the sun, so you don't want to cover it with a lot of soil, and it needs medium consistency about, being wet. It doesn't like to be, lots of water. It won't grow with that, and likes a little bit. And it's great for microgreens. It doesn't really work for, sprouting in a jar because it's mucilaginous, but in microgreens, really great. You can use it just like chia seeds or flax seeds, and the sky's the limit on what you can use culinary-wise with it. And there's lots and lots of recipes, and you can find garden cress seeds on Amazon and eBay, and you can buy a bunch of it to plant, or you can use it to make all kinds of different meals with it, and wonderful recipes. And online there's a huge amount of recipes for garden cress seeds. Really fantastic. This is something you really gotta start using every day. If you have something going on, give me a call at 831-869-9119. 831-869-9119. I have a huge amount of people. I have a person that has, terrible bad breath, and bad breath can be a sign of bigger things brewing. And so we got to get rid of that because the gut bacteria are not happy, and so we need to get rid of that before that brews into something else. 831-869-9119. Remember God, remember I love you, and please do your meditation every day. Even if you get 5 minutes in, just closing your eyes and concentrating on your breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. If a thought comes in, just say, I see that, but not now, and go back to your breathing, and that will help. The world is crazy right now. There's no doubt about that, and we don't need to go crazy with it. Do your meditation. Even a few minutes will help greatly and bring you back down and ground you and get you into that place of being happy. I love you.